In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the page size in Adobe InDesign. First, let's go over how to change the size of all the pages at once in your document. To do this, click on the File option located at the top left-hand side of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Document Setup. In the Document Setup window, you'll be able to adjust the size of your pages by changing the width, height, and margins. After making all the necessary changes, click on OK to apply them. You will immediately see that the size of your pages has been updated. If you want to change the size of only one specific page in your project, you can do that as well. First, select the Page tool from the toolbar on the left side of your screen. You can also activate the Page tool by pressing Shift and P on your keyboard. Once the Page tool is active, go to the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Select the specific page you want to resize. You can now modify the width and height settings for that individual page. Once you've made the changes, you'll see that only the selected page has been resized. This is how you can change the page size in Adobe InDesign.